National President ka National People's Party NPP Conrad ke sangma ubadairu menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya ulaong bag ngampat don ke cingpen benai ke election bag ke parti ke dang ab ban peit shwa ya menta ya ki kyrtong kani ke cuba Conrad kelalong halor ke cingkeli na kilar pathai khubor halor ki khubor bag kindon kat tu ningut ki MLA bamenta ke NPP ki bala ban numio tiket shu na ke parti hage election chine mikmat ke yeng da bar thau ang ke jela house name arjar arfulai banwan.
So is it true that some sitting MLAs might not get tickets?
No, as I said, the election is not yet announced, so we'll have to see and wait and watch. Of course, every party is preparing, so definitely NPP also has been preparing, and we are working hard, and we are doing our best to ensure that we select the right candidates, and we're working hard to also organize a party. So let's hope for the best. Election is always tough. I've always mentioned one cannot take anything for granted, and one cannot take election as easy, and one cannot take your opponents lightly. Every opponent is a serious opponent, and it is the mindset that is important, and I want that our candidates should approach the election with a very serious mindset.
All the seats will be contested, 60 seats? Or?
Let's see. Maximum will be contested.
Ulang bag NPP hi kaya chakmat ag ching pengkre eg election but kam dan ge ching listing dag ba pentep bag NPP kan penyeng kyrtong khambun ngot ulang bag ki kyrtong ki baka party kan penyeng kindai ki badan ni ka thong bat ki batre shitram ki party ki paj ba nalor ki badan bhai ka lat ban job.
So for us what's important is we look at both party loyalty and the commitment to the party and the commitment to the people is something that's very important to us, and of course we also look at winnability. So it is a question of mixing and matching both these criterias that are major decision makers for us, decision making criteria for us. But apart from that, of course, we look at the overall background of the candidate. We look at the individual's objectives to move forward and how they want to work for the constituency. All these things also are important to us.